Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing an unboxing. So I got the Crybaby Powerpuff Girls from Popmart and I'm so excited to open it up. So there's 6 different kinds. I'm gonna take the little plastic thing off so you guys can see it better. So sorry for my ring light. So there's 6 different kinds you can get and there is a surprise. So I'm gonna open it up so we could start seeing what's actually in here. Okay, so I got it open. Again, there's 6 boxes in here, so I'm just gonna start. So again, these are the ones that you're able to get. So there's Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup, and then there's the bunny version and the original version, and then there's a surprise, which is 1 out of 22, and the surprise is Princess Morbucks. So let's see which one is in here. Hold on, I think, yeah, you open it this way. I want to see, there's like a little card in here, so I don't want to see what it is. So let me move this way. Ah! We have Bubbles. She is so cute. Look at her. I hope it's picking up really good on the camera, but she is so cute. Super, super cute. Okay. I'm gonna put her here. We have Bubbles, and then the sticker. Well, it's not, is it a sticker? I think it is a sticker. I'm not gonna take it out, but I think it is a sticker, and it's Bubbles. I'm just gonna save these because I don't really I don't really use stickers. Okay. Next one. Okay, I think I saw the card and I think this is Buttercup. Yeah, I saw the card. It's Buttercup. I think I saw something green. Yep, it's Buttercup. Okay. I love Buttercup. Look at her. Super, super cute. And like the face, it's pretty hard. It's like vinyl. It says it's vinyl face with the plush bodies. So cute. Oh, did I say bunny Bubbles? It's just regular Bubbles. Okay, so we have 2 of the original ones. Why is Buttercup injured? Yeah, 2 of the originals. And then look at her. I love Buttercup. She is so cute and grumpy. Okay. Next one. Oh, okay, that one. All right. Wow, okay. I think this is, it's Buttercup. I see the sticker. It's Bunny Buttercup. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. And they look different. Wait, that's Bubbles. They look different too. It's like a different green. That's so cute. And I got these for my bags, you guys. So yeah, they're so cute. And this is the sticker. Okay, 3 more. She's so cute, Bunny Blossom. And again, they're different. So cute. The blues are different, which I like. This is more like a purplish color. So cute. Her expressions are somewhat, yeah, her expressions. Well, and this one she's kind of looking away. This one she's looking straight. But so cute. Hopefully I'm able to see them. And then this is the sticker. Okay, so we have 2 more. I love this pink. It's so cute. I love Blossom. They're so cute. So cute. And then this is the sticker. Last one. Okay, last one, Blossom. I'm so glad there was like no repeats, because I've seen some videos where people are getting like even if they buy the whole box, sometimes they get the same ones, and I did not want that. So yes, so cute. They're so cute. So cute. And then this is the sticker for Blossom. And I do believe they're like magnetized. Yeah, you could like put them on each other, you see? And they'll stay. Yeah, it's like more in the butt area. Oh, okay. Yeah, so they'll stay if you like put them together, which is so it is so cute to me. Yeah, these are so cute. Like, they're so cute. I cannot wait to put them on my bags. You could also use them as keychains, but I got them for bag charms. They're so cute. And even if I don't end up using them as bag charms in the long run, like, I love the Powerpuff Girls. Grew up watching the Powerpuff Girls, so these are like little collectibles. I didn't get Princess Morbucks, which I don't really mind. Like, she wasn't like a favorite of mine on the show, really. But I did like the color pattern that they have her. I think she was like a bee. Like, I think it was like yellow, black, and she had like her red poofy hair. So, you know, she was cute, so I wouldn't mind having her to put on one of my bags. But I don't mind not getting her, you know. Yeah, so I got the ones I wanted. I don't know if I'll be able to like go back on Popmart to see if I could get Princess Morbucks by itself, especially since it's 1 out of 72 chances for you to get it. So I don't know, because I wouldn't buy a whole nother box just for that. So yeah, but I'm happy with the ones I got. I do have another one of another Crybaby that I'll be unboxing. Yeah, so as always, you guys, thank you so much for going back to my channel and watching another one. You know, I definitely appreciate it. Bye.